You may be asking yourself, what exactly do you get if you join the private network, right? Well, you get a few things, but more specifically, we focus on strategies, application, and actually things that work. We focus on the real information. We ignore 90% of the information out there, because if you are stepping on this trading journey, you have to know that outside there is plenty of fake information, and most of it is BS, which is just trying to sell you some course or anything. So be aware of that. Now, in our community, we focus on strategies which you can implement today, and you can actually start acting towards your success today. We focus on speed, we focus on real results. Now, what exactly you're gonna get when you come into the network? You're gonna receive this section over here, which I post my personal updates. Also, you're gonna receive plug and play trade setups. As an example, I took a long at 90K. So this is the example. I took this long at $89,000, right? I said I want to see 97 next, then price started moving up. I didn't say I'm taking profit. I was just riding the long setup, and it rided up to $98,000. I continued posting the updates, and I took some profits later on, but the trade went up drastically, 1 to 6 pretty much, and currently the price is 100,007. Now, what else you're gonna get in the network? You're gonna receive the absolute crucial education, where we talk about price action, order flow, footprint, ranges. We provide checklists, cheat sheets, courses. We talk some crucial information about candle formations. Then we talk about high time frame plays. We talk about systemization, order flow, traps, delta, templates, plannings, etc. All these type of things that are packed. This is the most crucial education in trading you can ever get. Also, I post weekly updates, right? In the weekly outlooks, I talk about things like that. Yeah, so these are a few examples. So let's say on the 12th of January, I post this update where the points which I'm talking about are these. You can pause and you can take a look if that's okay for you. But I primarily talk about Bitcoin, and then I zoom into other assets as well. Now, what you're gonna get, you're gonna receive in-depth education, daily market insights, and a thriving community. And by joining that community, you have to know that your success is my priority, and I will help you get to the level you want to get. I am a full-time trader. I'm doing this for a few years now, and I want to share my knowledge without trying to scam or sell you some BS fantasy. So if you want to learn from someone that's been doing this for a long time and is sustainable with this, come, look, and you can play with me, essentially. You can do the exact same things which I'm doing, and you can still make money.